Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol ACB. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So all this here may look like several days worth of time. It's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping outward levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I did this analysis on Friday, so that is where the red and green line annotations are coming from. But before anything else, going to do a little house cleaning here and just get rid of the line up here. Sure, that level pertains, just not relevant anymore. And from a presentation standpoint, I don't want to risk causing confusion because there's clutter with lines all over the place. So let's try to keep this as clean as possible. The first, not really update, but kind of confirmation point is that 715 did ultimately hold as support. I would definitely say it was weakened up quite a bit today, given how far the price dropped below it and spent underneath it. But also to give credit where credit's due, by the closing bell, the price was able to bounce back above that area. So therefore, right here at the 715 mark, that green line is still indeed a level of support. But that also brings about the fact that in the event the price does drop down below it, after today's price movement, we've got kind of confirmation that the next overall buyer area does seem to be right around 705. I realize the price did technically drop a little bit below there, but I think we'd all agree that the main point of price congestion is right there around 705. So 705, initial level right there of support in the event 715 fails once again. But as of now, especially when you factor in the final 30 minutes, you can see a nice surge. And then, the upwards movement there, that is all going to be an area where we'll see if the price can ultimately maintain above there or not. But the big, dynamic going into tomorrow, and this is by no means some sort of great discovery on my part, but a lot of people are going to be watching that pink line, which I talked about on Friday as being a very important level of support. But now that the price is down below it, that's just basic technical analysis. When areas of support are broken and closed below, they tend to act as resistance. So keep a close eye on the 722-ish area. In the event the price can push through that, next key overarching level is going to be that purple line up there, the 50-period moving average. However, one hurdle at a time, and that first hurdle from the resistance standpoint is going to be that 200-period moving average. So rough day today, although you do have to give credit where credit's due. The price did bounce back nicely in the latter part of the day, so we'll see if they can build upon that momentum or not.
One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.